Good morning everyone. This morning it's very difficult to see. We're on a Hyundai Santa Fe and it's a 2004 model and it's the diesel CRTD. So the guy's complaint is it's a crank, no start. So what we've done here is, see if this camera's got a bit funny this morning. So I've used my new leads and we've probed into the fuel rail pressure sensor. So you can see here, I've got my little Vantage Pro. We're putting the pressure sensor circuit. So this is on the signal side of things. So obviously we'll have a 5 volt, we'll have the signal, then we'll have a ground. Let me work this out. So on the ground side is a white wire. So the white wire into this is, well, I'm saying my white wire, so that's the brown wire here. And then the signal wire would be the middle pin, which is my blue, and that's the green wire, and the pink wire here is 5 volts. So you can see with key on, engine off, we're reading half a volt. So I'll go and crank that and let you see the voltage rise. But in order for this to start, I'm sure on a Santa Fe you need 1.4 volts or 1.3 volts, and as you can see I've reset my min max to that figure there. So we'll go and crank that. I'll let you hear it. The problem here is there's not enough fuel pressure. Right, so put the key off, but then we'll crank it over. So let us see. So we're only getting up to 0.77, see that? So there's not enough pressure here to start this machine. So I would suspect the guy had done a leak-off test and he said it was excessive. So I think we've got excessive leak-off here from the injectors. So they probably need, oh dear, quite noisy here this morning. They probably need refurbished, or either that or the pump's no building pressure very great. I wouldn't think that, but what he did say was if you use easy start, it starts no problem at all. But you've got to use it consistently now. You've got to use it every time you want to start. So a lack of pressure to get this thing going. So I'll maybe try and do a leak-off test and let you show the amount that's coming out. I'll cut back to you. Right, so I just decided to connect the scan to it. So I've just graphing 4 PIDs, battery voltage, engine RPM, fuel rail set point. So it's looking for 4,000 PSI, which is roughly just over 300 bar. And fuel rail pressure, so we'll crank that over. So the most important ones are RPM and fuel rail pressure. See, his battery's getting a bit weak. We see we are getting a reading, so we're getting 1000 PSI, which is not enough. We're cranking over 228, which is a wee bit low, and you see it was still looking for 4000, but as you see the battery voltage is low. But to me this is excessive leak off. In fact, we'll try it with his battery charger on it. So you can now see that we've got the jump back on it because of a low voltage issue. So I've just left these little connectors in there. So I'll show you the scan tool now. A good battery on it. Let's see what it's saying here. So it's saying there we've got 12.3 volts. I think that'll be good enough. So we'll go for it again, see if you can actually listen to the sound, it'll be a bit healthier. So let's watch the RPM first. There you go, we're getting 250. I think that's good enough. And fuel rail pressure's still only getting to 1700 PSI, far too low. So he says he's got another set of injectors here, so we'll pop them in it. The reason I'm confident about this, he done a leak-off test, I think I said, and he said that it was filling up the little bottles within seconds. So I'm sure the kind of figures are you need about 20 mil. It's less than 20 mil over 5 minutes, I'm sure. So once the injector's in, I'll get other readings, but that's just how to check a diesel for a non-start issue. Cheers.